एक्सेलेंसीज, पिछले कुछ दशकों ने सिद्ध किया है कि क्लाइमेट चेंज के प्रकोप से कोई भी अछूता नहीं है, लेकिन इसमें भी क्लाइमेट चेंज से सबसे अधिक खतरा स्मॉल आइलैंड डेवलपिंग स्टेट्स सीड्स को है। ये उनके लिए जीवन मृत्यु की बात है। इस कड़ी में आज इस प्लेटफॉर्म पर मैं भारत की ओर से एक और नई पहल की घोषणा कर रहा हूं। भारत की स्पेस एजेंसी इसरो सीड्स के लिए एक स्पेशल डेटा विंडो को निर्माण करेगी।
On Tuesday at the COP26 Global Summit, Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched a new program to secure and strengthen critical infrastructure in small island states against disasters induced by climate change. The initiative, called IRIS or Infrastructure for Resilient Island States, will see the Indian Space Research Organization creating a special data window for these small island nations. This is the first major initiative by the Coalition for Disaster Resilient Infrastructure or CDRI. The initiative was launched by PM Modi and his UK counterpart Boris Johnson.
So before we get on to IRIS, a little bit about what CDRI is. Now, CDRI translates into Coalition for Disaster Resilient Infrastructure. Right. So this was an international initiative started by India in 2019, 2 years ago. IRIS is, the first major program under CDRI. Now, we realize the fact that despite our best efforts, there will be lots of weather-related disasters will keep happening. Both the frequency and intensity of weather-related disasters, flooding, cyclones, storm events, extreme rainfall, heat events, forest fires. These kind of events will increase in frequency and also in their intensity. That's what is predicted, even if we take very strong action on climate change. Now, if that is the situation, then the idea is that if we have to live with these disasters, we need to work around these, and we need to make ourselves better capable to withstand this. And one of the things in this idea is how to make our infrastructure, especially critical infrastructure, withstand these disasters in a better way. And the way it would work is, the idea is to work together to infuse resilience in their infrastructure. So learn from each other, share best practices to what best to do to instill resilience in your infrastructure. They're not this coalition is not supposed to create new infrastructure, but whatever is existing infrastructure or whatever is upcoming infrastructure in these countries, how to make them resilient. Now, IRIS, which stands for Infrastructure in Resilient Island States, is the first implementation program of CDRI, and this is being executed in small island states. Small island states are, most of them are single island countries, small countries with a population of few thousand in the Pacific, in the Caribbean. There are lots of them which are very small, and also because of which they are extremely vulnerable to the impacts of climate change. Now, in that kind of scenario, the first program of CDRI is being launched for them to make their infrastructure resilient to the climate change impacts. So as the first measure under CDRI, the first program under CDRI, that is being launched. a program to sort of safeguard critical infrastructure in these small island states. Prime Minister Modi announced that ISRO will create a special window creating and disseminating data specifically for the small island states. One of the most important things in trying to safeguard these infrastructure against climate disasters is to prepare early warning systems, effective early warning systems, and also data real-time monitoring of certain parameters in these countries. So what Modi said is that ISRO would create a special database for monitoring of these parameters in these countries. So in these small island states also, and because they face very frequent storms and high tides, flooding, so the role of early warning systems becomes very important. So they would start collecting data and creating a database, and then they will be sharing these data with those countries so that they can use it in whatever manner they like.